Anti-Aging Intense Day Cream. Our Anti-Aging Intense Day Cream is a great day cream for more mature skins. It has 3 anti-aging peptides in it. The inchy seed peptide, which is a great peptide for increasing dermal density, preventing skin sagging, and also helping with skin roughness. In addition to that, another anti-sagging peptide helping with dermal density, lifting, contouring, and firming the face, Idea Lift. It also has an AHA peptide in it, constantly peeling away at those dead skin cells to keep the skin looking really smooth and even. In addition to those 3 peptides, we also have sodium hyaluronate, which smooths and plumps the skin and instantly gives a moisture surge to the skin. We also have galactobarinone, plant collagen from the larch tree, which is also going to increase moisture and really help smooth and plump the skin. We also have our botanical oil blend of virgin coconut, macadamia, sakethe, and delo oils, which are going to hydrate and nourish the skin, help prevent against free radical damage, and really strengthen the skin's barrier. It also includes our delo and beech almond leaf hydrosols to firm, strengthen, and protect the skin.